Imagine being called just a meme coin, then surviving longer than thousands of serious crypto projects. That's basically the story of Baby Doge. What started as a joke to many people slowly turned into one of the biggest and most recognized meme coin communities in crypto. While other projects disappeared after the hype faded, Baby Doge kept growing through every market cycle, bull runs, crashes, and everything in between. One of its biggest achievements is building a massive global community with millions of holders and supporters worldwide. And in crypto, community is everything. Without loyal people backing a project, it dies fast. Baby Doge also became known for its huge token burns, permanently removing massive amounts of supply over time. Instead of endless inflation, the project focused on creating more scarcity as the ecosystem continued to grow. But what made Baby Doge stand out even more is that it didn't only focus on charts and price action. It also pushed real charity efforts for animal shelters and dog rescue organizations, turning a meme into something that actually helped real animals. On top of that, Baby Doge expanded into DeFi, NFTs, partnerships, and other parts of crypto space instead of staying stuck as just another meme token. And honestly, maybe the biggest achievement of all is still being here. Because in crypto, surviving for years is something most projects never accomplish. But Baby Doge did.